I am Pakistani and you watch Mr. Pakistan, and today this video I'll teach you how you can make a step counter. Show me the table. This is a step counter. So basically, if you do if you do a morning walk, then you may know some source of thing we need to count your steps and tell you how much your steps will be. You do that. So that's why the multi-day is an expensive tool or expensive clock which then measure the steps. So easy way to make a step counter at home using arduno. So here is use arduno. This is the I2C display which uses I2C backpack module and ADXL accelerometer. The ADXL 345 accelerometer, which is a 2-axis accelerometer which then gyroscope. It will monitor the back forth. It will generate a signal and tell you nearly which side is up and which side is down. It is also used in cell phones to monitor the. So there's Arduino and ADXL 345 5V is that 5V Arduino down to ground after Arduino. There's SCL and SDA. SCL is connected to the Arduino pin. SCL and SDA is connected to the SDA of the Arduino. Is connected to ADXL 345 SDA pin. And similarly, the 5V of Arduino is connected 5V of this display I2C 5V and ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino. And SCL SDA of the screen is connected analog 45 pin of the Arduino is connected to the SCL SDA pin on the with this display. Now we can restart it by pushing this button. So it's put steps count. Although it's a little bit worse, so I need to flip that this way due to short wires, so it will not fold like that. But let me I place like that this way you can see. And now carefully holding this edge meter. When I move this one like this way, showing the camera the screen straight. And when I share it, you can see it change the number. So what we tend to do, we can place this all the units inside a plastic box and attach your shoulder on your leg and this with. And when you swing the leg back and forth while running, it will count how many steps you are running. And this is powered by power bank. Powering this Arduino 5V and ground to display. Arduino 5V ground also give to accelerometer SCL, SDA is connected. SDA to SDA, SCL to SDL. Display SCL is connected to analog 5. Display SDA is connected to analog 4 of the Arduino. This. And this is a liquid I2C display with I2C backpack. And this video is I'm next video very soon, and by the way I later explain the code. Once pause.
Wire.h library include SPI.h library, Wire.h library for serial communication, and SPI.h library also serial communications. Hash include liquid crystal I2C.h library for I2C liquid crystal display. Here we define LCD crystal I2C LCD 0 into 27 20 by 4 size. You can use 16 0 into 27 or 20 into 4 or 16 into 2. And the constant int EPD BMAP R array len equal 1. Constant unregistered char EPBM array equal 1 equal and their float values AXVG equals 0 and AYAVG equals 0. There repeats, 9 times steps equals 0. White setup, LCD bidane, LCD int for LCD display, LCD backlight, SSD 136 int for SSD, int ADXL 1345 int read AVCC wide loop, and there is some iterations. Float int I is variable, it equals 0 if I less less than less greater than 50, I plus plus. So it will check the initially I contains equal variables contain 0. It will see if it is 0, then it will add 1, and it sees 1, then it will add again 1 by 1, while the bidden the transmission 053 wire wide 0 into 32 wire, and transmission wire request from 0 to 53 bytes 0 wide dot read wide bidden transmitter 0 in 53 wide 0 at 33 divided by 33 wide, and transmission wide request from 0 to 53 bytes at equals at the variable equal at 1 equals wide while read at equals, let me, unit 6 t x equals at 1 less greater than 8 in x int 16 t x f equals x if x f is greater than 511 x f equals x f 10 and that's 1024 x u r equals x c u r plus x y bidden transmission 053 y wide 034 y and transmission 053 wire request from 0 to 50 right at 53 byte 0 digital wire read